In this lesson, we're going to take a look on how to create some simple menus in your bash script. So for that, I'm going to create a new file called options.sh. I'm going to put in my bin bash line, and there are several methods to accomplish the look of a menu in your bash script. There is one using what's called a select, but this has some limitations that I do not like, so I use a while loop. So I'm going to write n is equal to 1, and I'm going to simply say while $n is equal to 1, I'm going to do the following. So this while loop will basically always be true unless I exit the program. So I'm going to echo out here your options are. Go ahead and echo out number 1, option 1, echo out 2, option 2, and echo out 3 is quit. And then I'm going to ask for a number as input. After that, I'm going to read that input into a variable, we'll call it input, and then I'm going to do an if condition. So I'm going to say if $input is equal to 1, then what I'm going to do is first of all clear out the screen to make it look nicer, and then I'm going to echo option 1 selected. I'm going to say else if input is equal to option number 2, then I'm going to clear out the screen and echo out option 2 selected. Else if, this is my last condition, I'm going to say if input is equal to 3, then I'm going to also clear out the screen just like so and echo out exiting, and just going to write the command exit, which is going to exit out from the script, ending this while loop as well. I'm going to put an else at the end here, or put in a clear and echo out invalid selection. So anything else, it will just say that this is an invalid selection, and then I'm going to close that if condition. So as you can see, this while loop, these options will always appear after they finish each option, unless I choose number 3, which is going to exit from the while loop and exit from the script itself. So let's write that and quit and take a look on how this will run. I'm going to change mod, execute that script, and you see it says your options are option 1, option 2, and 3 is quit. If I say 1 and hit an enter, it's going to say option 1 selected, and it's going to ask me for my options again. 2 is option 2 selected. If I say, for example, 45, it's going to say invalid selection. Anything other than the scenarios I've written is going to say invalid selection. And if I hit 3, it's going to quit out of the script.